Hey crochet friends, it's Mary, your crochet buddy. If you love creativity, colors and cozy handmade projects, you are in the right place. Just look at these beauties. First, the felt pouch. Watch as I open the zipper to reveal the neat lining inside. Super practical and easy to make. Next, check out this granny square flower pouch. Isn't it just so cute? And the best part, it's super easy to make even if you're a beginner. Let's take a little closer look. The zipper opens smoothly, keeping all your hooks, buttons or all the small essentials secure. Inside the neat lining make it durable and professional. Next, the flower granny square pouch. Actually, these are the layer flowers, and the best thing is that it has the handle which is also the layer flower. And check out the zipper as I open it. Yeah, it's so smooth. It's perfect for keeping your hooks or small essentials safe and tidy. Every stitch you see here is made with love, and guess what? You can make them too. So grab your yarn and join our creative family. Remember to follow Mary Crochet on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube so you never miss a new tutorial, crochet hack or handmade idea. Let's keep learning, creating and spreading joy. Because at Mary Crochet, every thread tells a story and every project is made with heart.